The third setup I have my eyes on is EURJPY. So we actually have to wait for a daily closure to confirm this, but it does seem like, following market structure, that we could potentially push back towards the downside. I'll explain why just now. You guys can see how price was in a bullish trend here. So we have our higher highs being formed, higher high, higher high, higher high. We kind of had a triple top over here. We pushed back down. We broke below the previous low over here to form our lower low. So this right here would be our first impulsive move. From this high to this low is our first impulsive move. We come back up for retracement. Second impulsive move right here. You can see now that price starts to come back up to form this double top, which is a chart pattern. You guys can see now that we started to create a new lower low from last week. And now this right here could be our retracement for this impulsive move. Now, could this 120 level, could this hold, and could we see price continue to push back towards the downside? The only thing that is making me wait for confirmation for this to see weakness over here is that if you go on the weekly time frame, we have this huge bullish shooting star over here, which I'm not too worried about. What I am worried about here is actually this support level, which has been holding for quite some time, and we immediately, as soon as we came to touch our 116 zone, we immediately pushed back towards the upside. So this support level could be an issue for our analysis, but nonetheless we would be looking for our target to be 118 rather than 116. So for us to actually enter this position, we would have to wait for candlestick closure on the daily time frame, obviously. Now if candlestick closure happens to maintain below 120, then we could look for a potential sell opportunity back towards the downside, targeting 118. However, if price happens to close above, then we would obviously not enter this position, and we would look to see if price can come up and retest this level again. So you remember we formed this double top. Could we form a triple top and then see price come back down? So essentially, we're just waiting for a daily a break or bounce scenario with a bearish bias here, and we have to wait for the daily time frame to see which way that the price is going to go. And from there, I will update you guys and possibly give you a signal on this as well.